Hi, how you doing? This is Romeo the Professor. Hello, friends, family, relatives, and future students. I'm going to get into this pool, IVN Sol. They're paying 476. I might put a little bit more money in Lorex USDC. So I sent money to my Phantom wallet. I sent Solana here, so I have about 5,000 Solana. So I'm going to put 1,500 IVN. And then 1,500. Oh, this is Solana. Whoa. So I'm going to just do 2,500. I'm just do 2,500 here because I already have Solana. So watch me buy it, okay? So I go to the exchange. This is an exchange. And I just type IVN. And then it pops up. And since I got 29 Solana, I'm going to do 14. Okay, I'm being charged heavy, so it's costing me $125, but I want it because it's invest in Sol, and I believe we're in a bull market where the market will go up, and I believe in Solana, the mother coin, so that's why I did that. So if you look at my Phantom wallet now, you should see that I have in IVN about a good $2,000 worth. It should load up soon. Okay, it's taking a while. It should load up soon. Let's get out. It should load up soon. Or maybe it's there. See right there, Investin protocol. So I have 2,500 and 2,800 Solana. So now I'm going to show you how you do the pool. Click on pool. IVN Sol. It says it's going to pay 0.13 Orca. Damn, the other one's paying 0.44, but it is what it is. So I click here, 1520. So I'm putting 5,231 and I'm getting 2,075 a month, 476%. Let me screenshot that. I click deposit. It's going. I approve. My name is Romeo the Professor. You can follow, share, subscribe, and please like this video. So now I'm going to show you and tell you what IVN Sol is. But before I do that, I want to double dip. Okay, so I click on my liquidity and you'll see it right here. But I want to double dip. So it says double dip, I'll get another 419%. So I click on double dip here and I got to go find it. It'll say double dip in yellow. Okay, bam, I found it. So this double dip. So once I click double dip, I approve. It's going to go all the way up to the top where all my double dipping is happening. So we go all the way to the top. We see all my double dipping. I got Lorex double dipping, MNDE, Atlas, IVN right here, and then Samo, and then I got ABR. So I have this double dipping. So now let's go real quick and figure out what Investing is. Here's Investing. If you look at all-time high, from the all-time high, it's 15%. The all-time high was $1.97, so it's 15% from the all-time high. And if we look, we see the market cap is right at close to $5 million. So it's a fairly new coin. So it's going to have a lot of volatility. And it's a decentralized fund management protocol. All right. So I'm not going to go into it too much, but you can study it yourself. You connect your wallet. You can start your own fund. So it has a lot of interesting things. Okay. So, enabling anyone to invest to start hedge fund in a trustless and secure environment on leading blockchain. So invest in a decentralized way, leveraging blockchain technology to open market for prospecting investors and seasoned traders to exchange their offering in a trustless and non-custodial manner. The assets are stored in a custodial way and the trades are executed using decentralized AMMs with deep liquidity. Any fund manager trader can deploy a contract to start their fund using the protocol, and the contract will act as a vault where investors can invest without having to give away the custody of their assets. Investing state-of-the-art funds and strategies which analyze the market and generate high profitable returns. So you see it there. My name is Romeo the Professor. Follow, subscribe, share. Orca is what you need for the automatic market maker and Phantom wallet. Okay, I'm out. Follow, subscribe, share, and like this video. And the coin that I bought is IVN Sol. Okay, thank you.